What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect my chatbot with the Claude. So for that, the process is very simple. Open up the Claude application. Once you open the application, you just have to go to the plus icon, then go to the connectors, then go to the add connectors, and then go to the browse connector option. Once you go there, you will see this kind of image. Just search up my chatbot, and you will see this. Over here, it's a community as well. Community connectors have undergone automated reviews. They may not yet meet the quality tiers of the verified connectors, but they will eventually do. Here you will see that there are 38 different tools that you guys can use with these connector. Just click on connect option and it will take you to a new page where you just have to authenticate yourself with the My Chat bot. So once you do that, you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.